Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Anaheim local and long distance movers near me. If you're looking for a reliable and cheap Anaheim moving company, then you should have a look at what 3 Movers can do for you. Whether you are a family, student, veteran, and business, we can get your belongings or equipment safely to your destination. Not only that, we can help you with your long distance move, but we will make sure that our services meet your specific needs. Here's what we can do for you: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. It can be difficult to justify hiring a California moving company at first, but when you look at the numbers, it's easy to see that the benefits of working with the professional team far outweigh the cons. Not only that you don't have the experience to pack and handle various objects made out of different materials, but you probably also lack the time and resources to move your belongings safely. The moving procedure can be streamlined significantly with the help of a professional moving crew like the ones from 3 Movers. It can take you a day or two to transport all of your belongings, but we can do a local move in a matter of hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Anaheim moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.